Hello Mangaluru, greetings from House of Chef. We are located near Kottara Chowki, beside Kaveri Fort. We've got 12 brands under one roof, which is House of Chef. Today, one of the brand which we're going to talking about is Chef with Charts. Under this brand, Chef with Charts, we've got various street foods throughout India so that you can come and enjoy them under a single roof. So the must-try dishes under this brand are Matri strips, Gujia chickpeas chaat, and Nachos papdi chaat. We've got a seating arrangement of 150 plus, which consists of fine dining, food court and open air dining, and we also provide valet service. We are also available to order online on Swiggy and Zomato. We are looking forward to serve you, your friends and your family, and we are sure that you're going to have a good time.
Thank you for watching AroundMangalore.com channel. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.